Pagkain pala to guys, ayuda pala to. What is it do you need?
Raincoat.
You need raincoat?
Yeah, then we need to buy in the shop.
Oh. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Thursday everyone. Pagpasensyahan nyo na ang aking hair guys, basang-basa pa at hindi ko pa nasuklay kasi I just got out from the shower, kakatapos ko lang din mag-work guys, but gusto ko lang i-open tong box na to before natin pick upin ang ating baby girl. Guys, super happy ko today guys. I was actually surprised kasi alam ko na hindi ako nag-order ng kahit ano na malaki online, pero nung nakita ko yung box guys, tingnan nyo kung gaano kalaki ang box guys. Oh, galing pala siya sa aming company, sa aking boss. Diba guys, yung aking mga boss guys, they're very, very generous talaga. Super lucky to have them. And then, para pampasko siguro to siya, for sure. Kasi nga diba, hindi kami nakapag-Christmas party this year sa Sydney because of what's happening right now with the COVID situation. Kaya yun, siguro pinadalhan na lang nila kami ng mga ganito. But open natin guys, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung laman. Hala, excited din ako guys kasi wala akong idea kung ano yung laman ng box na to. Ayan. Hala, ganito siya sa loob guys, oh. Bigat pa naman. Ayan. Naka-bag. Hala, Louis Vuitton bag. Char. Hala, ang daming ano, oh, bubble wrap. Naka-bag. Ano ang laman ng bag na ito? Ayan. Hala. Open natin guys ha. Nakalagay cooler bag. Hala, cooler bag pala to siya guys. Ganito. Ayan. Isa-isahin natin guys. So first we have Rocky Road Belgian chocolate. There you go. And then we've got blueberry and buttermilk organic pancake mix. Alam, mga pagkain pala to guys. Ayuda pala to. Meron tayong pistachio and cranberry bite-sized shortbreads. There you go. And then we have Olivia and Cor. Let's get personal. Ano kaya? Hala! Have a look! Hala, sobrang nice guys. Pinalagyan nila ng aking initial ba, J.E. Hindi mag-focus. Ayan.
What's that, Mom?
Hala. Just a hearing or something.
This is from your work?
Yeah.
What did they get me?
Nothing for September pala dali because I can't see your face.
Very hard to sit down.
Ayan. Hala, sobrang ganda guys. Keyring. Hala no? Very thoughtful talaga sila guys kasi nag-isip sila ng mga ganito. Iiyak na naman ako ngayon. We've got spiced nuts. Ayan, dito nagawa na rin.
I'll give you nuts.
Scented candle. Yes! They know me very well guys. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung scented candle. Ayan, sobrang cute ng box. Oh!
Nice.
Oh,
Smells good.
smells good. Crystal pa yung kanyang takip.
Smells good.
Ayan guys, mabaya na natin yan buklatin kasi okay, baby girl ay naghihintay doon. And then, I know this one is wine for sure. Hindi ako mainom ng wine, so definitely for Daddy Mike. Wala na naman guys, yun na yun. Pretend I have a card for me. Ayan, oh, Jovey. Kita ba, guys?
Where the money at?
Woo! What is one here. Sobrang sweet talaga ng mga ano ko guys, mga boss ko guys. Okay. What a year! Ope, uy! Alam na! My universal gift card. Ah.
For all you's interested in. I can't tell if it's wine or champagne.
No, I have no idea. There you go, guys. They gave me kuan gift card worth $100.
Wow,
Ayan.
where's that from? What's that for?
Visa, huh?
Oh, anyway, it accepts Visa.
Yeah. Anyway, that accepts Visa. Oh, diba? Shopping for more.
Nice.
Shopping for more. Thank you.
I'll have that.
Jovey. The last 12 months have presented us with many new challenges in all areas of life. We have been exceptionally lucky to be in such a positive position while so many businesses have suffered. This is thanks to the resilience and flexibility of the entire sector team. Oh my god. We unfortunately couldn't get together in person this year, but I look forward to catching up in 2021 and hope that you enjoy these gifts. Wishing you and your family a safe, healthy, and restful festive season. Cam. That's our general manager, guys. Aww. That's super nice of them, guys. Ayan talaga nakalagay dito, happy shopping. Tingnan nyo, ayan. Meron na tayong $100, guys. May pang shopping na naman tayo. Anyways, balik ko lang muna sila, guys, sa loob. Kasi, kailangan na natin pick upin ang ating baby girl. Kasi may appointment pa ako mamayang gabi, guys. 7 o'clock, may appointment ako. So, mamaya ko na yan siya sort out. Sobrang cute nito, guys. Uy, oh. No? Very nice. Maganda talaga kapag yung personal talaga ba. Hindi lang talaga parang they send the same thing to everyone. You know, alam nga naman mag-send sila ng hearing na ganyan na may JE. Ako lang ang may ano mang ganyan. Initials. Yan. Anyways, guys, ang aking buhok, hayaan ko na lang mag-air dry. We'll go pick up Paris now. I'll see you guys soon.
Push hot, Daddy.
Good girl. Sunny day. Sunny day. Do you like sunny day?
Yeah, it's like that.
Careful, Paris. Look where you're going. Look where you're going.
Yeah, Daddy's not sick.
Daddy is not sick. That's right. Yeah, Daddy is here. Sabi niya, Daddy is not sick, guys. Kasi last time, ako lang yung nag-pick up sa kanya.
Sick anymore.
So, sabi ko,
Now
sick
Daddy
si
can play
Daddy.
with Paris.
Are you happy Daddy is not sick anymore? Good girl. Where's our car?
Come on, Baba.
Where's our car? What's that noise? What's that noise?
It's a truck.
It's a truck, is it? Sige na, Daddy, open the car already, oh.
Paris gonna see Jake tomorrow?
Wow. Who are you gonna see tomorrow?
Beach.
Yeah, who are you going to see?
Check.
Jack! Yay! Are you excited?
Yes.
Come, Daddy, put you in the seat.
He's the friend.
Daddy, put you in the seat.
Ayan guys, nag-stop lang muna ako dito sa McDonald's. Nag-order ako ng frozen corn. And we've got some sundae. And then, nag-order ako ng apple pie. Nag-order ako ng apple pie for myself. And then, chicken nuggets for Paris. Ayan sa loob. Let's go! What do you need?
Raincoat.
You need raincoat.
Yes, you need to buy in the shop.
Oh, the shop's closed now because it's night time. What are you gonna do?
I know.
Magano kasi siya guys, tingnan niyo oh. Umuulan kasi, gusto niyang Peppa Pig, jumping up and down the muddy puddles.
I use a phone now.
Yeah. Tapos sabi niya, kailangan daw niya ng raincoat. Ichush!
It's a small one.
That's a small maricado. Nak, pull your pants up, Nak. Up more. It's falling down, Baba, like the London Bridge. Jumping up and down, dama di pado, splish, splish, splash, splish, splash. Okay, jumping up and down.
Come, want to play?
Mm-hmm.
Want to play on me?
Mama will stay here. Your Mama's got no hat, man. Mabasa si Mama.
What you wear?
Oh yeah, you have to wear your hat, Paris.
I need to wear your hat too, Mommy.
Yeah, that's why. You're there. That's why you have to wear your hat. Mommy's okay, thank you.
Want to wear shoes first?
Mm-hmm. Go, jump.
Oh no, it's the daddy where to come.
Yes, Daddy's putting his slippers on.
Daddy's coming.
There's this on.
Hmm?
This on.
Yeah, Daddy's going to put the shoes on. There's a big muddy puddle there, nako.
Want to come?
Yeah, Mama can have a look. Mama will have a look. Go.
Yeah.
There's nowhere I'd rather be.
Pull the pants up, Bob.
Huh?
Pull the pants up.
Jump, 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 jump. Hey, Papa. Oh, your pants are falling down. Can I pull up? Okay, go. Jump. Jump. Jump, jump, jump.
Want to come and jump?
Okay.
Let's jump in the other.
That one? This one?
No, Daddy, nothing. I don't like.
Demanding, bata ah.
Paris.
Jumping up and down, dama di paddles.
What are you jumping this one?
The big one. Jump in that one, ako. So big na.
Can Daddy jump in that one?
Jump.
Okay.
That's not. It's too dry.
Ready?
It's too dry.
It's too dry, Daddy.
Oh, that's all right. Ready?
It's too dry.
You try this one.
Hello guys, good evening. What time is it now? It's 8:50 ng gabi and you know what? Continuation na lang to siya kasi careful anak. Kasi nung inedit ko yung video guys, hindi ko pala natapos yung video na yun. Kaya ayan, lagyan natin ng ending ngayon. Say hi tita. Hi tita and tito.
Hi, Tito and Didi.
Ay, Judy! Hindi kasi ako mapakali guys kapag yung video natin walang ending, tapos walang shout out, parang walang closure ba, ganon. Oh my, ganong factor. Kaya yun, i-end natin. And yeah, I just want to say thank you to everyone sa patuloy na panonood ng aming mga videos. Sana alam nyo na appreciate ko kayong lahat. And sa mga bago nating subscribers, of course, welcome sa ating channel. And sana na-i-enjoy nyo yung mga vlogs natin. Say, thank you everyone! Hey, thank you everyone! But yeah, before natin i-end guys, of course, mag-shoutout tayo. And the first, hang on, anak, mag-shoutout sa anak. First shoutout goes to Crispina Palma from California. Hello po! Shoutout to Olivia Belza Morales from Bicol. Shoutout to Janzi Pinay, Australia. Edeline Manosa, Jovey Opiasa, Emelita Gonzalez, Mad Brat, Carl Ayesha, A. Huablar, Sally Samaniano, Fedis Paging, Pagayon Pastrana, shout out to Riz Tamayo, Julie S., Yet Balino, Vicky Inot, Frencel Anora TV, Loleta Fabiliar, Elsa Serrano, Joanne Ambe, Marlene Di Malanta, and Lisan Bansil. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up na. Thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,